us. My goodness, has it grown, yeah? So many talented people displaying their stuff. As is this company.
Simply Sisters, yeah.
Simply Sisters.
They made us look good today. I'll try
right
to.
over there, we are so grateful. We walked in and they said, would you like to wear our shirts? And I was like, of course. I love green, that's my favorite color. And this company actually happens to come from Pilo. I know they make really lovely stuff because it's rooted in love as well. So thank you to the crew of Ray Fonseca who inspired these women over the years to come together. But you know, Pilo's a special place, so there's blessings to start with in the first place. So this is for you guys, Mahalo for these beautiful shirts. Pilo's such a rainy old town, I listen to the rain. Though it falls so free, take a walk in the rain and let that rain wash away your pain. You can stop all over with me. Okay, you know what? I don't think I heard you in Igbo. How about folks, stop the couple of the smoking on the guitar. All the folks in town visiting from Hilo, especially Cindy's sisters over there, who came with such a love in their heart to be with us and give us these lovely shirts to wear. I see Mark Yamanako over there.
I see him too.
That's him, yeah? You sell the cameras.
Good to see you, brother.
How you doing?